Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are just unboxing the Avery Lane collection from Fancy Pants Designs. If you recall, I am on the design team, so I am sent their collections to play with to give you inspiration on how to use the upcoming kits. I will be playing with this one for the month of November, and it's not a fall theme kit because I already used the fall theme kit in what did I do? It's September. Then last month, in October, I used Hallows Eve. Now this month, I'm using this one. And then Christmas, I'll use, obviously, in December. So this kit is a very, to me, like pastel rainbow collage-y goodness. You know, their pages, it's just a fun, unique kit. And I do believe for this one, I do want to attempt making a mini album. So I will be attempting that. So stay tuned for the video. So here is the collection, just like the demo card, so that you can kind of see what I mean, like that rainbow pastel. And we have this like collage-y, almost like scrapbooking feel to it. So here's the first page. That's probably the pink and the peach. And remember, you get two of each of them. So that's the back side, blue, the green sheet, and then the orange. You see what I mean about it being like scrapbooky? So you have these different elements. I think it would be so cute to cut them out and make like a little mini album and then do something with it. Here's the next sheet, purple, and then like a pinky coral color in the back. Like all of them are just like, yeah, like mixed media. I might do a mini album to showcase it and then, you know, mixed media it up with something else. So maybe no 12 by 12s with this one because it's so different and I love it. So the orange and then like a purpley blue on the back side. Like love. Like this even looks like a book. Love, 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 love. So yeah, I'm glad it has two sheets of each because I would be so torn. Here's a blue one. See how that all mixed media? You can see like all like the text, the watermarks, the lace, the splatters. I mean, really unique and different. I really like that they're stepping out of their zone for this collection, I have to say. Like, love all those elements. And then, like this tealy aqua colored one, and then yellow. It's really, really pretty. And then here are the icons. So you have a bunch of tag elements, small word phrase stickers, the botanicals, horse, some fruit. Oh, I like that octopus, fish, the hot air, mushroom. So really, really cool. Then it comes with foam thickers, pastel and outlined in white. Really good sentiments with that one. Then these are different. These are they acetate or are they vellum? Let's see together. They're acetate. So you got like acetate collection of doilies. Yeah, they all look like doilies. And they're a plastic. Yep, and I was going to ask myself, there is a film on them that you have to remove. So they have a film, a protective film. So you got a whole bunch. There's 34 of these in that pack. Then we have the sticker book. They've been doing these lately with some of the collections. So the icons, the alphas, more icons and stamps. And similar. And what I like about the collections is that usually the foam thickers and the elements are repeated on here, if you haven't noticed that. So they, yeah, true colors, kindness. Yeah, so these are always repeated. So that's really good too. So you have more than one attempt to use them. And then a 90-pack ephemera. 90-pack piece ephemera. Okay. Let's go through these real quick. And then as usual, I will always post this one as a separate unboxing. And then I will post my two projects in the month that I show this in. And usually I post one of my projects right after this so that you're not stuck waiting. So we have all of the elements. So let me zoom you in so I can go through them. We have the flowers. We have the doilies, the horse, that fish. So again, you'll see a lot of the repeating elements. You'll have multiple times to use this. Frames, the mushroom, botanicals, some of those same word stickers. Stamps, labels, little hearts, little watercolor hearts, the strawberries, the Eiffel Tower, shells, the fruit. Really cool. Alrighty, my sweets. So this is the I'm gonna say it wrong, Avery Lane from Fancy Pants Designs. This is the unboxing, so stay tuned for projects using this gorgeous kit.